Here smell fresh and nice. And here she come. Oh, she smile. She give it a shy smile, you know. How are you today? Yeah, make me blush, you know. You're fine. I have a package for you. Yeah, man, come up on the hill. Nice hill. It's cool up here, eh?
Yes, it is.
No, so come up here, come live. Have no room can put me up because down on the flat, hot, you know.
You're single?
Sometimes. 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 So you like the service though?
Well,
Tell me about it.
from I've been ordering from last year, I don't really have any problems.
Okay. And
The
the
service
good.
has been good.
Service been good?
Yes.
You've been referring friends and family?
Yes, because even my sister-in-law, but she ship it to the address
Right.
that I have in Florida,
Oh.
and then you guys ship it
So
to
what
me.
you need to do now is have her sign, put your mailbox number here and send this to her so she can create her own account.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't want her to have her own account. No, she ship everything to you just the same. Okay. You know, I didn't know about Maninzil district. I swear. No. When him saying going Maninzil, I just thought, hey, we're going Maninzil. I never know about Maninzil district.
First you coming up here?
My very first time.
Okay.
My very, very first time.
Well,
Should it be the last?
No.
All right, so you hear that? It won't be the last. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to see Miss Georgia. She want me to come back.
Yes.
And when I come back, I should come back single?
What?
Yes.
I should come back single. So I'm going to work on that. Yes, I'm going to work on that. Don't tell my wife. Pleasure doing business with you.
Same
And make
to
sure
you.
you invite your friend. And make sure you're a platinum member as well, all right?
I am.
You are?
Yes.
Great stuff. So you're looking out for platinum day?
Yes.
Good stuff,
When
good
is
stuff.
Platinum Day, by the way? Oh, I normally get.
Right, you get the emails, right. All right, so looking forward to hearing more from you and have a good one.
You too.
All right, good.
All
So
right.
there you have it, guys. We are in Mannings Hill District. Nice and cool. Not so hot like down Mannings Hill Road. On the delivery trail, have a good one.
Hey, what's going on? I know you've been watching our videos all day, every day, because you enjoy the videos. But why haven't you signed up yet? You need to sign up for a free shipping account with us. And also sign up for a platinum membership. This allows you to get 4 free coupons every year. Come on, sign up, check up our webpage. Check it out. At the bottom of each of our webpage, you'll see a promotion link. You can see all the promotions we have running every day. Sign up.